Three Musketeers here. Got Lady Manny and Bruce Young Gunner all together here. These are the people that's going to bring you to the best place there is here. That's one of the youngest person in the business here that is making lots of money. Young Gunner. So how's everything here?
Everything is beautiful. Crossroads Resort, that Sean Manning right here on the left side. We have the Catan, this is a grand family ride. Young, been in the groove, we're able to do it. Phenomenal. No matter what age you are, you can do it.
You know, you make me feel bad now. You know.
It don't take age to retire. It takes income. And
there you go.
Perseverance can make that happen. Right? So, hey, if you're looking at this video, what I advise you to do, we don't beg people or convince people. We just advise you to get involved. That's the best advice I can give. Get involved. Right? Get that person who's listening to this video. Get signed up a Young Gunner, Young Top Producer. Right here. Second CEO. If you don't understand what this is, I have no idea. But this is a family right here.
Family right here.
Family-oriented environment. Barcelona Resort. Beautiful, beautiful resort. Swimming, snorkeling, jet skiing. All activities. All you can eat. And I'm not going to even begin to tell you the price. You got it at a certified travel price. You don't know what that is. The only way to find out is to get signed up to the company. And I tell the various visitors, it's recently launching right now. It's in process. Right? Imagine getting paid to travel using your travel cell phone at the same time. Off residential, home, businesses, video phone, everything. Right? And the necessities of life. Just imagine getting paid from the necessities of life. People got to use them anyway. That's why we don't have to hype people in, beg people in, because you're going to do it anyway. It's like you're going to brush your teeth. Hopefully you will. In the morning, you know you're going to use one of these right here. This is almost like a toothbrush. It's almost like a heart right here. People can't leave home without it. They can't even breathe without it. So why not get paid for doing something you already do? You love to travel. You love talking on your cell phone. And guess what else you love? You love to take care of your body. You have a health nutritional line as well, the various products. It's a beautiful thing. So listen, get back with the person. Share this video with you. Get signed up today. Right now, positioning your business and everything. This is a ground floor opportunity. So let's make it happen.
Thank you.